Here's a SMC Laguna industrial model KA-36 parenthesis W. I say the parenthesis W because it's a white finish. If it was brown, it would be parenthesis B, which is technically not the correct, but that's basically what it is. So anyway, I got this from Brian Peterson. One of the Fanimation trips. I think I traded a fan for it. I can't remember. But anyway, the canopy is obviously not original. It does have a beehive canopy, but with how high up it is in the ceiling, I couldn't use it. Plus, it doesn't even have the right mounting bracket on it, or right down rod. It's got a ball and socket I threw on because the other hangs too low. And if you notice, the switch housing cap is not original either. That came off of a different fan. It's supposed to have the rivet switch housing that match, or the rivet switch housing cap that matches with the housing itself. Well, anyway, we'll start it off on the lowest setting, which I think is this way. Yeah, and it starts off on the very lowest one. I did oil it. I had to take it down the first time in my bedroom because it seized up on me on about a medium speed and it was squeaking like hell. And it would not start on low. I'm kind of surprised it did. Okay, we'll kick it up to speed. That's about a normal low speed for a 36-inch. Okay. Kick it up another turn. About a medium, maybe medium low. That's about a medium. It does wobble a little bit. Kick it up some more. It does wobble, like I said. That's about a high speed. And kick it up to full. Oh, it's pretty overkill for my bedroom, but it hauls ass. Okay, we'll turn it off. And then turn that down to where it was. There is some crud in the bearing. I think it's the bottom one. I'm not too worried about it. I would take the motor apart, but I'm not really skilled, as you could say, with rewiring ceiling fans, so I'm not gonna fuck with it. Well, that's it, and until next time.